Hi, and welcome to Yola Queen Bee Tarot. I am Yola Queen Bee. I've prayed over the cards and shuffled them, cleansed the area. All right. All right, Spirit, Love, Team Elohim. Give us some information about Pisces. What's going on with Pisces? Reading for Pisces. Pisces. The Queen of Swords was out here. Pisces, please. Thank you. Pisces. Thank you. All right. I have Pandora, Cardi B, radio station playing in the backgrounds. I get messages like that as well. All right, we have the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, Strength in reverse, and Four of Swords. Queen of Swords, someone who's about the truth. We ain't got time for no bullshit. Come straight with it, good, bad, or indifferent, as long as it's the truth. Page of Pentacles, that means usually pages are messengers, so maybe there's a message of someone bringing in some small amount of finances. Or Page Pentacles, Earth sign, this could be a pregnancy. Maybe the Queen of Wands is pregnant, or she's, yeah, the Ace of Wands. This is a new beginning. So maybe there is someone who's pregnant. Maybe the Queen of Swords is pregnant of some kind. Here we have Ace of Wands, which is a creative new beginning, but also could be, this is indicative of the male phallus. So because this Leo's in reverse, maybe this Leo doesn't have the strength at this time to be intimate with this Queen of Swords because he's in contemplation. He's resting. He's in introspection. Tell me about this Page of Pentacles for Pisces. Yep, some kind of conflict. What's this Ace of Swords? Clarify Ace of Swords, please. A new beginning, or it's the truth. Spirit saying that, yeah, the Queen of Swords is pregnant. It's the truth. But there could be a celebration. This could also be a third-party situation. And because there's these three cards here, someone could have caught an illness from third-party situation. Maybe that's why this Leo or someone doesn't have the strength and they're actually bed resting, trying to recover. Clarify this Three of Swords. Thank you. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles, slowest moving knight in the deck. Six of Coins, that means someone's trying to balance. Someone's trying to balance the situation or their finances. Maybe that's why it's going to take strength, and that's why they're introspecting. King of Pentacles is earth energy. So Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius. Tell me about this Ace of Wands. What's this Ace of Wands? Ooh. Ace of Wands. You know, aces is a new beginning and creativity, but someone could have a lot of options. Yeah, and they could have a lot of options, which can kind of cause confusion, or there also could be some illusions that they have to be careful of. What else for Aries? What's going on with Aries? I'm hearing creative, new beginning in creativity, but this I'm hearing delusional. So maybe someone's delusional. Clarify the Seven of Cups. Someone's delusional. They're looking to their future. Two of Wands. Someone's looking to their future to make a choice, but they're in Five of Cups energy, meaning that they're discontent with the current situation. Tell us, after this Four of Swords, will they have clarity? He said, oh, after doing some inner work, resting, contemplating, you're going to walk to calmer waters. Tell me more about this Page of Pentacles. What is the Page of Pentacles? Yep. Page of Swords. And it's true, it's a child or someone's pregnant. Because the Page of Swords is messenger, that someone's watching, someone could be watching, or someone is coming in with assertiveness and some truth. A message of truth in an assertive way about a child. All right, Pisces. Got someone pregnant or someone's trying to claim a child on you? All right, let's get the Oracle deck. And I'm using Gaia Oracle deck by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Good deck, great messages, affirmations. All right, Gaia, give us something for Pisces. Some beautiful words for Pisces. Beautiful words for Pisces, please. Thank you. We got 3 cards here, so that's cool. So we got 16, which reduces down to a 7. Now, if you have a life path of 7, if you've done your numerology of your name and your birth date, you'll understand what your life path is. Mine is a 7. 7th is spiritual life path. So winter's end, regeneration, rebirth, positive outcome. Card 38, which goes down to 11, which is a master manifestation number, a master number. Zen garden, inner sanctuary. Again, that introspection. You know, you're always safe in your mind. And then 42, which is 6, breaks down to a 6, which is balance. And this is Sacred Earth Mother, a message of love. Ooh, I'm excited for that one. Let's hear it. All right. Let's start with 16. This card signifies rebirth, regeneration, and new growth. You may not know it, but the cycle has already begun. A cold gray period of your life is coming to an end, and a new season begins. As with the tree lady featured on this card, the first signs of spring are just starting to show. The first shoots have sprouted, and soon the new buds will be in full bloom as they bathe in light of the sun. Many beautiful things are in store for you. New opportunities present themselves, sometimes quite unexpectedly. When they do, embrace them. Do not hesitate, for this is your time to shine. This is a lucky and prosperous period for you. Many things that were previously not possible now are. Doors that were previously closed are now open. This card also signifies travel and positive outcome. All right, affirmation. I give thanks for the blessings that I receive each day. All is possible for me now. All doors are open. I invite prosperity into my life and embrace new opportunities. That's a beautiful card. So obviously, you're having an ending to an old way. Hopefully thinking, doing, acting. You know, This life is not about perfection. This life is about progression. We're to at least get better every day, you know. I don't think people realize that sometimes. Zen Garden. Life is full of ups and downs, a constant ebb and flow between war and peace. Everything has a positive and negative charge. Harmony and disharmony, order and chaos, clarity and confusion, calm and conflict are all partners in our physical world. You cannot have one without the other, yet, like all of us, you sometimes wish that things could change. Why? Can't we just live in peace? Well, the answer is that peace is possible, but you can only find it from within. The first step to accept the world as it is, just let things be. Trust that everything happens for a reason and that there is a higher purpose to all things. Now become aware of your breath. Let it guide you to a place of peace and light, a beautiful garden within the golden chamber of your heart. It is here within your inner sanctuary that you will find the peace you seek. Peace is only possible when there is peace within our hearts. When you are able to find peace even in the midst of chaos, then you are a true master. That is a true statement. Affirmation. I accept and love the world as it is. I trust that there is a higher order to everything. I find solace in the sanctuary of my heart. I move my awareness within. I am the peace I seek. Exactly. Sometimes you need to isolate. And where was the card I was looking for? Solitude. Oh, you know, when there's chaos in your life, sometimes you need to find the peace in your mind. Because sometimes that's only going to get it. And you have to remember, when someone comes at you sideways and acting a fool, they're just projecting themselves on you, especially when you're not doing anything to them. You know, once you remove your feelings out of someone's actions and really stand back and like, oh, you're talking about yourself. And, you know, you need to protect yourself all the time because people try to project things on you. So you need to learn to say, oh, is that how you feel about yourself? Because people will say something like, for an example, you're bad luck. I'm not bad luck. I'm sorry you feel that way about yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's serious. Words are magic. 42. Sacred Earth Mother. We travel the endless corridors of our mind until one day we find a pathway that lead us to our heart. Who you truly are has nothing to do with your personality or your achievements, success, or failures. The you you think you are is an actor playing a role that your soul has chosen. The essence of you is soul, light, with no beginning or end. You are an eternal spark of pure creativity, unlimited potential that yearns to be expressed and fulfilled. Your potential is your destiny. It awaits your call. Trust your heart and apply its love and wisdom to all you do. In this way, all you create or do will be a true expression of your soul. It is through expressing your truth that you create things that of lasting value. Be true to you. And the affirmation for that. Woo! Lost the whole page there. Sacred Mother. Okay, affirmation. I am essence light. I am essence soul. I am pure creative potential. I am guided by my heart. I apply love and wisdom to all I say and do. So there you go. Words of wisdom. Even in the midst of chaos, you need to apply love because that's what this world needs more of. And that's what us leaders, as far as assisting people in the spiritual realm, that's what we're here to do. Some of us have already done the dark night of the soul work, so we're called to be of assistance. And that's what our existence here in the world is, to help each other, but people forget that. So there you go, Pisces. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Yolo Queen B. Remember, you only live once. I love you, and namaste.